To be an assassin, you have to have a cool jacket. To be an assassin, you have to assassinate people very good. To be an assassin, you have to have very good balance.
What a loser!
To be an assassin, you have to jump and be able to climb walls.
Get a life.
Now for the real deal. Now for the real deal.